never judge someone by their name.
Oh, plumber man, thank God you're here. My house is flooding.
Oh, I'm not a plumber. That's just my name.
My house is still flooding.
This is the reason why I am not having any but children.
Bad. It's bad. Go to your room right now.
Who married this guy anyway? Never mind, I don't want to know.
Woo! I am a spider, and I'm going to spook you, and there's nothing you could do about it. Woo!
That was the least intimidating spider I have ever seen.
If you poke me in the throat one more time, I'm gonna...
Ew.
Gotta pee.
Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
You should be prepared at all times. You never know when you might fall out of the sky.
And that's why I always carry a balloon with me.
Oh man, these lights are annoying.
And that's why I threw my ears away.
No. No.
A brain with dirty thoughts. Not relatable at all.
Something smells fishy.
How are you breathing underwater?
I'm not.
That just made me question my sanity.
And that's the end of the video.
Now go home.